Boy, I hear you, boy. I used to listen to Power 106 and I stopped listening to them because they became poison. Every day was just bashing the government, bashing the police, bashing. If you weren't orange and your dog wasn't orange and your chicken wasn't orange and you are not PNP, it don't make sense to listen to that station because it was so biased. They talk crap. You have this finance genius that I don't know how much genius he is because he still have to go to work every day and work. If he was so great in economics, he'd be retired. He'd own a couple of villas and drive a Porsche and he'd be enjoying life as a consultant, but he's so genius. But he still have to go work every day morning and run a program. Because trust me, if I was rich, I wouldn't be working. I wouldn't have to work. Go up on a radar because me want to buy time. And another one all them talk about is how bad things are, how horrible things are, how, and then you move now to 94.5. Boy, that's soon close to, because it's like you have cancer in your arm and the cancer spread and go down into your liver. Same thing, it moved from one station to the next. It's the same cancer, the same talking, the same people call every single day. It's like they're retired at home and them have nothing to do except call. You can hear it in their voice. Them sound very old and old timers, and they have nothing else to do except bash the government, and they sit down at home and they don't realize how old they are and how they've reached where they are today. So be thankful for that, because they could be in other countries and never reach that age and they could be worse off. And yes, we have our problems, but the bashing every day, I just decided, I used to use this radio for an event that I had. I think it's RJR. And I decided to go and listen to this radio this morning. And I was just set back. I was like, same voice, same people move over, same poison, same cancer, same talking about the same things. Nothing has changed. And then you wonder, where we're going? It's like them pay people for go up on that station. Because there is nothing ever positive. No matter what there is, you'd never hear anything positive for the morning, only negative. My 2 cents. I'm going to have to find another radio station to promote my event.